Hi, welcome to WR Infotech. Keeping your PC up to date is a crucial for security and performance. And right now, as you can see in my system property, I'm running Windows 11 version 22H2. But the latest version is already out, and I'm going to show you two easy way to get to install the latest update. So let's start. So option 1 is the standard method, Windows Update. Simply open your setting menu and click on Windows Update on the bottom left here. Just hit the check for the update so button. If the latest version is available for your device, so it will appear here automatically. Then just click download and install. So now it is started downloading. After start downloading, it will show you the installing, so it will start installation also. So now it started installing, so this will be automatically installed and it will ask for restart the PC. So this is the safest and recommended method for most user. Now if you have checked for update and you don't see new version yet, you can use option 2, the Windows 11 installation assistant. So open your browser and head to the official Microsoft website. Just search for download Windows 11. So on the page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Windows 11 installation assistant. So there is two options, Windows 11 installation assistant and Windows 11 installation media. So media for boot up, you can download full Windows. And here we need Windows installation assistant just for updates. So after download, start the installation, Windows installation assistant. Double click on it, then it will start the installation. So you can see here, if you click refresh also, you cannot continue because you need to get PC health checkup. You need to check your hardware compatibility. So download that PC checker, then install that. So now it is installing Windows PC checkup. So after installing this, it will check your hardware whether this is compatible for the Windows 11. But there is minimum requirement like 4 GB RAM and 64 GB memory is required. Here you can see this PC meets Windows 11 requirement, so it's good to continue. So if there is any error, it will give you Indo mark here. Now close this and continue with the Windows installation assistant. Sorry, it's already running on background. Now just click refresh, then accept and install. So now it will start downloading the update. So usually the download take 10 to 50 minutes. It depends your internet speed. And after downloading, it will start installation also. Installation will take like 30 to 45 minutes. It depends on your computer hardware speed. So now the downloading almost finished. And now it started installing. So after installation, it will ask for the restarting. So it will give you 30 minutes time to restart. After 30 minutes, it will restart automatically. Otherwise, you can click manually the restart button. So if you want to save any file, you can save before that. Now the update is run, it's done already. So just click accept, then you can see with the new background image. Just go to setting and you can see here the updated new version in the system. About here you can see Windows 11 Pro and 25H2. Before it was 22H2, now it is already updated to 25H2. So this is the latest version on Windows 11. And thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any question about related to IT, you can ask me on comment. Thank you for watching.